Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Fourier series. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about f. So we need to use about this one and this one. So we have this one minus this one. Later that we divide by number 2 and we have b. Now we have the formula in here. So here is the formula we need to concentrate in here. Now we have f that is about b. So we put b to change for f in here. Now we simplify b and p. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we see that from negative b to positive b, we have two different numbers in here. So if we have negative number 2, the interval should be from negative b to number 0. When this one equals to number 2, the interval from 0 to b. So this one we can put like this. So the integration of negative number 2, we have negative 2t, and we put the bounds from negative b to number 0. This one, we have 2t, and we put the bounds from 0 to b. So I will put number 0 and negative b gone here. So this one we will have about negative number 2b. And this one we have 2b. Now we simplify and you got number 0. Now let's go to the second one. We do the same. So the integration of this one, we will have about negative number 2 over n sine nt, and we have the bounds from negative b to number 0. This one we have 2 over n sine nt, and we put the bounds from 0 to number b. So I will put number 0 cone here and negative b cone here. And we have like this. This one we do similar. So the negative we can put outside. And we see that this one cancel this one. So this one you got number 0. And the last one. This one we have 2 over n cosine nt, and we put the bounds from negative b to number 0. Similar for the second one. This one we have negative number 2 over n cosine of nt, and we put the bounds from 0 to b. So I will put number 0 and negative b cone here, and we have like this. Cosine of number 0 we have number 1 minus cosine of negative bn minus 2 over n cosine of bn minus cosine of number 0, that's about number 1. Now we need to simplify. So this one we have 2n multiplied by number 1 with negative number 2 over n, negative number 1 we have 4 over n. This one we put negative go outside, they keep about cosine bn, and this one we have cosine bn, so we have negative number 4 over n cosine bn in here. So after we have everything, this one we have number 0, this one we have number 0, bn that is about this one. So if we simplify, and we just have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.